Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying components and making the first physical connections. Remove any metal from the phone case, then test the Kai receiver coil with a multimeter to confirm continuity. This avoids wasted soldering. Once done, align the coil where the phone's battery sits so the coil will rest flat. Make 2 short, clean solder joints, positive to phone's charging contact and negative to ground. Make sure to keep wires low profile to maintain a slim fit and proper coupling with the transmitter. Now you'll complete the middle steps that determine reliability. Carefully solder the receiver's output to the phone's charging pads, confirming polarity with the meter. Incorrect polarity can damage circuits. Once soldered, tuck wires under the battery lip and secure the coil with thin double-sided tape. Use minimal epoxy only if necessary to avoid insulation gaps. Make sure coil faces the back cover and sits flush. A lifted coil reduces efficiency. Reassemble the phone with the coil in place and test on a Kai pad. Finish by testing and validating the installation under realistic conditions. Place the phone on a functioning Kai transmitter and observe charging behavior. You should see the charging indicator within a few seconds. If charging is intermittent or absent, power down and re-examine solder joints, coil continuity, and that the coil faces outward toward the transmitter. Orientation matters for induction. As a troubleshooting tip, if the pad shows no detect, gently lift and shift the phone to different locations on the pad to locate the transmitter's sweet spot and confirm coil alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.